Here are 50 reasons why you should choose Marcor Solar for your rooftop solar installations. Let's explore why Marcor is the best choice for your home. Starting with our expertise and experience. At Marcor Solar, we bring decades of roofing and solar expertise to your rooftop. Trust our certified in-house team for seamless, reliable installations. We are roofing and solar experts. Marcor is both a licensed roofing contractor and a solar installer, ensuring a seamless integration of both systems. Insurance coverage. Marcor Solar and Marcor Construction take pride in providing our homeowners with every possible protection available through various insurance coverages specifically designed for roofing and solar. Decades of experience. Marcor has extensive experience in both roofing and solar installations, guaranteeing a high-quality and reliable system. Certified installers. Marcor's solar technicians are certified and trained to the highest standards, ensuring your system is installed correctly and safely. In-house team. Marcor has a dedicated team of professionals from design to installation, eliminating the need for subcontractors and ensuring accountability. Quality and reliability. Premium materials, custom designs, and thorough inspections, Marcor Solar ensures top-notch quality and reliability for your solar system. Premium materials. Marcor uses only high-quality solar panels and components from reputable manufacturers, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Custom designs. Marcor creates customized solar solutions tailored to your specific energy needs and roof design. Thorough inspections. Marcor conducts comprehensive roof inspections before installation to identify and address any potential issues. Warranty protection. Marcor offers robust warranties on both the solar panels and the installation workmanship, providing peace of mind. Customer service and support. Marcor Solar is a local company dedicated to exceptional customer service. From transparent pricing to responsive support, we've got you covered. Local company. Marcor is a Long Island-based company with a strong commitment to the community and personalized customer service. Transparent pricing. Marcor provides clear and upfront pricing with no hidden fees or surprises. Dedicated project managers. Marcor assigns a dedicated project manager to oversee your installation from start to finish, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Responsive support. Marcor is available to answer your questions and address any concerns throughout the entire process, even after installation. Real estate support. Marcor has dedicated real estate and mortgage professionals to support you if and when you decide to sell your solar-powered home, whether you had your solar installed or repaired by us or not. Financial benefits. Save money and increase your home's value with Marcor Solar. Enjoy energy savings, tax credits, and flexible financing options. Energy savings. Marcor helps you save money on your electricity bills by generating your own clean energy. Tax credits and incentives. Marcor assists you in maximizing available tax credits and incentives to make your solar investment even more affordable. Financing options. Marcor offers flexible financing options to suit your budget and needs. Increased home value. Marcor solar installations can increase your home's resale value when your solar is owned. Environmental impact. Reduce your carbon footprint with Marcor Solar. Reduced carbon footprint. Marcor helps you reduce your carbon footprint and reliance on fossil fuels. Clean energy production. Marcor's solar systems generate clean, renewable energy, contributing to a healthier environment. Sustainable practices. Marcor is committed to sustainable business practices and reducing its environmental impact. Additional benefits. Gain energy independence with Marcor Solar. Enjoy low maintenance, reduced noise pollution, and advanced technology for optimal performance. Energy independence. Marcor solar systems can provide you with greater energy independence and security. Reduce noise pollution. Marcor solar systems operate silently, reducing noise pollution. Low maintenance. Marcor solar systems require minimal maintenance, freeing up your time and resources. Advanced technology. Marcor utilizes the latest solar technology to maximize efficiency and performance. Monitoring and optimization. Marcor provides monitoring systems to track your solar production and ensure optimal performance. Peace of mind. Marcor Solar offers peace of mind with full licensing, insurance, and a proven track record of successful installations. Trust us for your solar needs, licensed and insured. Marcor is fully licensed and insured, protecting you from liability. Proven track record. Marcor has a proven track record of successful solar installations and satisfied customers. Transparent communication. Marcor communicates clearly and honestly throughout the entire process, keeping you informed and involved. Marcor's difference. Marcor Solar handles everything in-house with our roofing expertise, ensuring quality control and customer satisfaction. No subcontractors. Marcor handles every aspect of your solar installation in-house, ensuring quality control and accountability. Roofing expertise. Marcor's roofing expertise ensures your solar installation is integrated seamlessly and safely with your roof. Community-focused. Marcor is a local company that invests in the community and prioritizes customer satisfaction. Awards and recognition. Proud to be recognized as the best solar company by the 2024 Long Island Choice Awards. Owens Corning, Platinum Preferred Contractor. Marcor Construction has achieved the highest level of certification from Owens Corning, a leading roofing manufacturer. Best Solar Company Award from the 2024 Long Island Choice Awards. Marcor Solar was recognized as the best solar company on Long Island by popular vote. Additional reasons: get more from your solar system with Marcor. Free consultations. Marcor offers free consultations to assess your solar needs and provide personalized recommendations. Battery storage options. Marcor offers battery storage solutions to store excess solar energy and provide backup power during outages. Monitoring app. Marcor provides a user-friendly app to monitor your solar production and track your savings. Referral program. Marcor offers a referral program to reward customers for recommending their services. Community engagement. Marcor actively participates in community events and initiatives. Educational resources. Marcor provides educational resources to help you understand solar energy and make informed decisions. Marcor's commitment to excellence. Attention to detail and superior workmanship define Marcor Solar. We ensure timely project completion and high durability for every installation. Attention to detail. Marcor pays meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of the installation process. Timely project completion. Marcor strives to complete projects on time and within budget. Superior workmanship. Marcor's installations are known for their superior workmanship and durability. Additional testimonials. At Marcor Solar, our commitment to excellence is reflected in the satisfaction of our customers. Frederick M. praised our professionalism and responsiveness, while Gregory H. highlighted the incredible performance of his 49-panel system and significant savings on his electric bills. Carly A. found our process seamless during her major home renovation, and Michelle F. appreciated the ease of acquiring and installing her solar panels. Marcor's promise. We promise 100% satisfaction and top-notch customer service. Marcor Solar is dedicated to helping you achieve your energy goals. We stand behind our work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're committed to providing the highest level of customer service and support. We're dedicated to helping you achieve your energy goals and save money on your electricity bills. Why wait? Join the thousands of Long Islanders who have already worked with Marcor. Start saving money on your electricity bills today. Make a positive impact on the environment. Contact Marcor Solar today for a free consultation and see how we can help you go solar.